In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find mental health clinics near me. If you're looking for mental health support in your area, this process is simple and can help you quickly locate nearby clinics using an official treatment locator website. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to do and what to look for on the page. Start by going to findtreatment.gov. Once the site loads, you'll be on the treatment locator page, which is designed to help people search for services based on their needs and location. This is a helpful place to begin because it allows you to narrow down results instead of browsing through unrelated options. When you're on the locator page, the first thing to look for is the section labeled Filter By. This area lets you choose the type of care you want to search for. Taking a moment to use the filters is important because it helps make your results more accurate and relevant. In that filter section, check the box next to mental health. This tells the locator that you want to see clinics and providers focused on mental health services. If the filter isn't selected, your search may include other types of treatment, so make sure this box is checked before moving on. Next, add your location. You can enter your city, state, or zip code, depending on what the website accepts and what level of accuracy you want. Using your location helps the site show options near you, which can save time and make the results much more useful. If you want the closest possible matches, a zip code is often the best choice. After that, click on the search button. This will submit your filter choice and location, so the website can generate a list of nearby mental health clinics. Depending on your connection, it may take a moment for the results to load, so give it a few seconds if needed. Once the search results appear, scroll down to see the clinics listed on the page. This is where you'll be able to review the available options near your location. As you look through the results, pay attention to the names and details shown for each clinic so you can decide which ones may be the best fit for your needs. That's it. By going to the locator, choosing the mental health filter, entering your location, searching, and scrolling through the results, you can quickly find mental health clinics near you in a more organized and reliable way.